Welcome back to our channel, where we delve deep into the guidance of the prophets, seeking insight and understanding for our lives today. Today's discussion is particularly profound as we explore sins that can jeopardize our iman, our faith, and how Allah's mercy transcends our shortcomings. So grab your tea, settle in, and let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Now that we've touched upon the beauty of divine reward and mercy, let's delve into a pivotal concept: how Allah deals with sinners and believers. Allah's wisdom shines through His treatment of both, revealing layers of mercy and justice that are truly awe-inspiring. We begin by examining how Allah addresses sinners. Rather than solely focusing on punishment, Allah emphasizes their deeds, providing them with a chance to rectify their actions and turn back to Him. This omission of explicit punishment serves as a beacon of hope, reminding us that no matter how far we may stray, redemption is always within reach. Conversely, with believers, Allah highlights the rewards awaiting them, steering them away from arrogance and self-righteousness. By emphasizing His generosity over their deeds, Allah humbles believers, reminding them that their success is solely by His grace. Now, let's explore the profound concept of doing our best. Often, we underestimate the value of our efforts, feeling disheartened by our imperfections. However, Allah's promise of reward isn't contingent on perfection, rather, it's based on sincere effort, flawed though it may be. This reassurance reminds us that Allah's mercy transcends our limitations, offering us unimaginable beauty and fulfillment in the hereafter. But what about slip-ups and mistakes along the way? Allah's vast forgiveness encompasses even our momentary lapses, underscoring His boundless compassion for His creation. This forgiveness isn't conditional on perfection but on sincere repentance and a commitment to do better. Yet, in our journey towards righteousness, we often fall prey to judgment and condemnation, both towards ourselves and others. We forget that Allah's mercy knows no bounds, extending even to the most flawed among us. This reminder encourages us to embrace forgiveness and compassion, both towards ourselves and those around us. As we conclude our discussion today, let's reflect on the profound implications of Allah's mercy and forgiveness. In a world plagued by judgment and condemnation, His boundless compassion offers solace and hope to all who seek it. So let's strive to embody His mercy in our lives, extending grace and forgiveness to ourselves and others. Join me next time as we delve deeper into the divine guidance of the Quran, unraveling its timeless wisdom for our modern lives.